What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney, and if you do not know me, hi and welcome. So today's video is going to be a Ulta haul. Most of this makeup is high-end makeup. If you don't know already, I do have a lot of affordable drugstore makeup products. I do believe that you can find great products in the drugstore for, great prices. I do not think that you have to go out and spend tons of money on high-end products to get the look that you're going for and to look good and feel great. So I just wanted to throw that out there that, you can find duplicates for probably most of the stuff in this box. But personally, I just felt that I did want to add these to my collection. I've been, wanting a long time to try some of these products out, so that is why I purchased them, and I am super excited and I really can't wait to share them with you. So let's do it! So first things first, the Born This Way foundation and concealer. I did get the shade Natural Beige for the foundation and the shade Light Beige for the concealer. I do think that they might be a little darker right now, but I did purchase them in these shades because I know summer's coming. I do plan on doing like a little fake and bake just to get my skin like prepared for the summer months, because I am pretty pale right now. I do love the formula and I love the way that it blended out. I didn't go too light for the under eye concealer because lately I've been just wanting like a more natural type look. So I guess it just depends on the look you're going for. But lately I've been, feeling the natural, like subtle kind of look. So next, while we're on concealers, I did have to pick up the Tarte Shape Tape because it was on sale for only $13.50, and it usually runs you for $27. So this was a steal and I could not pass it up, so I did purchase the Tarte Shape Tape. In my last Ulta haul, I did actually purchase the mini version of this just to test it out because I haven't actually had this. And obviously like everybody's like so hyped over this concealer, so I definitely had to check it out and try it, but I didn't want to spend the full price just in case like I didn't like it. I did like it. I love the way it blends. It's such a great formula, as well as the Born This Way. They're probably like head and head. For $13.50, like needed to get that. For free for purchasing the two Too Faced Born This Way products, I did receive 2 free items. And one was this gorgeous makeup bag, very big, like you can fit a lot of makeup in here. It's like a rubbery type texture feeling to it, so it's probably very easy to clean. I love the bag. It has a little tag like this that says Too Faced on it, so pretty excited. For free, like, So I did receive a sampler size, or however it's called, of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Once again, this is another item that I have not yet tried and heard amazing things about, so I'm excited to test this out and see if it's worth all the hype for this as well. And if so, in the near future, maybe I'll purchase the full version of this product. But to get this for free, it was pretty good, pretty excited. If it's free, it's for me, you know what I mean? Next, we have the MAC Fix Plus, and it is the It is the Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus Rose, and it obviously smells like a rose. And let's see what it smells like. I haven't used it yet, so. Oh, wow. She's a squirter. I'm happy to have this. The Optical Illusion Urban Decay Primer, and this I did have a sample size of, and I absolutely fell in love and became obsessed with it, so I did have to spend the 30 buckaroonies. I know, $30, you're like, what, for a face primer? It's like, what the fuck? But Yeah, but you do get a decent amount of product, I think, for $30. I love the packaging. So cute. Comes with a little pump like that. So, and not only that, but I'm telling you, this product is so good. It makes your skin feel like silk, but it also does have that like that formula, almost like the Poreless Putty Primer, where it does fill in your pores, I think. I just think this is absolutely the best primer I have ever used in my life, so super excited about this. And because I purchased this item, I did receive 2 more free items. So I received the small like little tester of this Perversion mascara, and I don't know, I really haven't heard much about this, I don't think. So I am excited to try it out and see how this works. And then I also did receive an Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, and it's just like a little tiny one. It's not even, like, the travel size is actually bigger than this, so I don't really know what to call this. It's a sample. So, cute little sample, and I heard amazing things about this as well, and personally I do not have this, and I have never tried it, so that was going to be cool to try and to travel with, because if I'm ever like going to visit family and stuff like that, they do live quite a bit of ways, so when I go you know, to pack up like a full size setting spray, you know, is a pain in the butt, so I'll have this. Pretty cool. Then this one, I was a little disappointed when I seen it. So the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics, they do have the original size, and that is $30, I believe, and then they have like a jumbo one for $44. So I said to myself, you know, they have a mini for $17, like why not just spend $17 and get, you know, and get the product. So I wasn't thinking it was going to be this small, so when I got it I was a tad bit disappointed because it is like the size of my eye. And not only that, but it like doesn't even go up to like the top of the box. So that's alright though. I did use it and I do absolutely love it, and I knew I would. Great quality bronzer for sure. Like I said though, you definitely can find a bronzer out there for less than $30 or even $17, because I honestly think that could have been like $10. This next is a drugstore product, and it's my favorite drugstore brand, and it's Maybelline New York, and I had to get it. It's the gel eyeliner, and then it comes with like a little applicator. For it, I have used the L'Oreal one like this in the jar, the gel liner, and I did like it for a while, but I had it for like so long. It was like so expired. I literally had to put it in the microwave for it to like get loosened up. It was like not good. I don't know if you can relate to that, but yeah, so that had to go. Then next I did pick up the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, just because I heard great things about this as well, and it was only $4, so it's like I couldn't pass it up for $4. Supposedly like great, better than the Duo, so I'm excited to test this out. And yeah, so that's what that is. And then last but not least, I just picked up myself a new Real Techniques beauty blender, because this is the holy grail. I swear to God, this is the best beauty sponge in the world. I just love it. Like I cannot find like another one that compares to it. So I did pick myself up a new one because mine is torn up. So yeah, so that is it. That is everything that was in my Ulta haul. I hope you enjoyed it. This was just like a fun video. I enjoy hauls, so I figured why not make a video. I have another one. I'll link it above, my first Ulta haul that I did. And I just find them fun to just let everybody know about the products that you're buying, in case anybody else is interested in those products. I think that I used all these products actually for this face makeup today, and most of them anyway, and they all work phenomenal, and I'm super excited. I am very happy with the outcome. The only thing that I was really disappointed about was the tiny little Hoola bronzer, but even the quality of the bronzer, you know, made up for it. So super excited about it, and I say super excited all the time. I'm so sorry. I don't know why. It's just like it just comes out. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Those 2 things, actually 3 things if you want to leave a comment, those 3 things can help my channel grow tremendously, and I would be super appreciated if you did. Yeah, like every time I get a new subscriber, it's like I just won $1 million. So it's I became very passionate about this channel, and I am not gonna stop. So I really hope that you enjoy my videos and the content that I'm putting out. So yeah, so that's about it. So have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.